something about yourself?
Good day, I'm Alexandra Ros J. Vicentina, 22 years of age, currently residing at Cabiao, Nueva Ecija. I am applying as one of the chefs in your restaurant. I am looking forward to be working on your well-known restaurant.
Why do you want to be part of our company?
First and foremost, I want to be a part of a company like you wherein my skills and talents will nurture. And also, I know that your company have a competitive salary and have a harmonious relationship within your workers.
What are your strengths and how can you utilize it in our company?
I am a very hardworking person willing to fulfill in a flexible schedule and extend efforts to fulfill my position within the company and also through being hardworking person. And I am much willing to be devoted to your work and the company itself.
Why should I hire you?
As for my course, I am fitted for the position of being a cook in your restaurant and also having the enthusiasm to get my first job. I will commit to go to work every day with a great sense of responsibility and spreading positivity within our working environment. Thank you.